Now we're going to look at how we construct our James's balance sheet. We have already done the manufacturing account and the TPNL, manufacturing trading profit and loss account for the year ended December 31, 2008. Now we're going to do the balance sheet. We start with fixed assets. Productive machine unit cost is what? $28,000. I guess you would have known already based on our information before. Represented on the trial balance. See it right here. Right now, I'll do some workings now. Work out the aggregate depreciation, friends. To work out this now, what we do, we have something like this. Watch this now. 28,000 minus 23,000. By this you have known how to do the depreciation, right? I guess, yeah. Plus 10% of. First you find that. You see my friends? Or you have found that. After you have found that, you would then add what you get right there to 10% of the 28,000, and this, what you know, this from this gives you what? 5,000. 10% of this what? 2,800 plus 5,000 gives you 7,800, right? Clear as mud. So when you have found this figure, you then add the 10% of 28,000 that you for depreciation, and you add it and you get 7,800. That's it for depreciation. Now minus 7,800 from 28,000. When we do that now, we get 20,200. Next, accounting for machinery at cost. Machinery at cost is what? Again, friends, machinery at cost is 2,000. Productive machinery cost is 2,000. When you work out the depreciation in the same way as well. First thing you do, you say 2,000 minus 1,200 plus, I think it was 10% as well. 10% of the 2,000. No, 10% of 2,000 is 200, right? And this 200 plus 800, right, is what? 1,000, right? So therefore 1,000 would be over that. So if you minus 1,000 from 2,000, you get 1,000. So 1,000 is the figure that goes right there. And add both figures, you get 21,200. This is total amount for fixed assets. Pause the video. Look at it carefully, please, and ensure that you know what is going on there. Pause the video. Write the figures if you wish. And if you wish, write the figures, please. You'll have to do an worksheet based on what you have been taught in this video presentation. Now, let's move on. I'm going to submit a balance sheet, current assets. Normally, you have a one stock, but this time we have three different entries. Stock of raw materials, which is the closing stock of raw materials. Remember, it is a closing stock of raw materials, closing stock of finished goods, and closing work in progress. So the closing stock of raw materials is 2,400. This comes from your notes. This comes from your notes, friends. It said stock of raw materials 2,400 at December 31, 2008. Finished goods is what? $4,000, right? Yep, it is. And the work in progress is 1,500. So it's done, friends. Alright. Then our debtors is 14,230 coming from your trial balance. If you look at trial balance, you see debtors and creditors. 14,230 the debtors. Bank is 5,680 coming from your trial balance as well. Cash is 150 coming from your trial balance as well. You add up everything right here, and you will get a figure of 27,960, which we will call total current assets. After that, now you would less current liabilities. Creditors are 12,500. When you list that, you will get a figure of 15,460, which we would classify as working capital. So current liabilities are working capital is what? Current assets minus current liabilities as usual. Now, you would then add this working capital to your total fixed assets to get your total assets, which would be 36,660. Now, on the next thing we were financed by capital. Capital was what? 29,680 from your trial balance, right? Yep. So 29,680 from your trial balance, and you would add your net profit, 8,980. And when you add the net profit, you get a figure of 38,660. Then with less drawings, 2,000 coming from your trial balance. Then you have 36,660. So that's all for that, friends. That's it for the manufacturing account lesson. Which that you'd have learned a lot, but that you would have written down the information step by step in the blanks, in the fill in the blank given. Please have a wonderful day, and God bless you continually. Pray that you continue to do your work in preparation for your exams. Bless up.